Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Plex. Now, Plex is a widely recognized and comprehensive web hosting control panel designed to simplify the management of websites, servers, and applications. Now, I'm going to give you a review based on its features, benefits, and some considerations. Now, it provides a user-friendly graphical interface that allows businesses to efficiently manage various aspects of their web hosting environment. This includes managing domains, email accounts, databases, files, security settings, and installation, and even installing applications. Yeah, it supports both Linux and Windows servers, making it a versatile tool for different hosting needs. Now the key features we have are now the key features are simplified server and website management. That's it. It has a centralized dashboard, making it easy to manage multiple website domains and server services from a single interface. This eliminates the need for you to switch between different tools, saving you time and effort. It also has user-friendly interface, WordPress toolkit. That's right. It has WordPress toolkit, which include one-click installation, bulk management of plugins and themes, cloning, staging environment, and automated security scans and updates. So it also has robust security features. It has robust security features like what I mean is that it has a strong focus. It offers features like SSL, TLL certificate management, firewall configuration for more security and fail to ban, malware scanning, and automated security updates to protect servers and websites. It also has another feature. It has extensive automation. Then another feature is wide compatibility and integration, including PHP, Python, Ruby, Node.js, and various databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL. It also integrates seamlessly with popular tools and platforms like Docker, Git, Composer, AWS, and Google Cloud, enhancing flexibility for developers. It has a large library of extensions. With over 100 extensions that can add extra functionality to. You can see large list of extensions here. It also supports a lot of languages, so it has multi-language support. It has essential resource management also. You can get it from the help center. That is of resource management if you need them. They also have developer friendly features, yes, like SSH access, Docker and Git integration, and staging environment catering to the needs of web developers. Now, but also have some drawbacks. Also, it supports a lot of languages. Now, it has a lot of drawbacks too. Let's look at the drawbacks. Number one is the cost. Yes, the cost is the first thing. Let's look at it here. Underpricing. So this is the cost. As you can see, it's more expensive compared to some other control panels, especially for small businesses or individual users, as it also involves licensing fee. Also, it is very complex for beginners. It's kind of complex for beginners to understand it like that. So even though it is user friendly, the sheer number of features and settings in it can be overwhelming for absolute beginners. So there might be a learning curve to fully utilize its capabilities. It also has another drawback is resource usage. Some users have noted that Plesk can be relatively resource intensive compared to lighter control panels, although it generally offers robust performance. There is also the occasional bugs and updates. Then we have interface structure. Now, the interface might seem intuitive, but some long-time users of other control panels might need time to adapt to Plex domain-centric approach. So overall, it is a powerful and feature-rich web hosting control panel that offers a comprehensive solution for managing web hosting environment. It's user-friendly, has a user-friendly interface, strong security features, WordPress integration, and extensive automation capabilities, which make it a popular choice for individual businesses and web hosting providers alike. Now, the cost might be a consideration for some, the benefits and wide range of features often justify the investment, especially for those needing a robust and versatile hosting management platform. Hope you found this video helpful.